We've kept the weekly spread very minimal so that you can adapt it to your own needs. I personally like to use the left space for events, appointments, and meetings, and the right-hand side for to-dos. But you can also use both sides for to-dos if you like. In the top left-hand corner, you'll find the notes and reminders section where you can write down important messages for the week ahead. You can even use it to write a weekly mantra or your most important task for the week. Next to that is the habit tracker, which links back to the habit curator, your habit building framework. This is where you can write down and track the habits you're currently building. You can tick or color in the circle, completely up to you. Some Curation users like to highlight the days they intend to complete their habits, so that's something that you might like to try. For example, if I'm tracking my yoga practice, I might like to highlight Monday, Wednesday, Saturday, and Sunday if I've decided those are my designated yoga days. The daily self-care planner is strategically positioned on top of your to-do list. That is what the heart icon represents. It's there to remind you to schedule something nourishing, rejuvenating, or energizing every single day. It's all about normalizing self-care and encouraging you to check in with yourself so that you can give yourself what you need on that day. Whether that's yoga, a full body workout, meditating, journaling, or watching a TED Talk. The weekly spread in Curation Mini is slightly different. It includes this week's priorities and a weekly gratitude reflection. This week's priorities is similar to the Mission in Progress feature, which is in the original version. It is space for you to identify your top 3 priorities for the week, your most important tasks. Utilizing this feature will help you focus your time and energy more mindfully. You can also use this feature as a prompt to check in with your goals and list down any goal-related tasks that you can realistically tackle during the week. The weekly gratitude reflection is space for you to write down 3 things that you're grateful for or 3 wins from the previous week. It's a beautiful way to transition from one week to the other and start a new week on a positive note. Lastly, at the end of each month, you'll find a link at the bottom of the weekly spread, which will direct you to 5 monthly prompts. These monthly prompts will help build awareness around your choices, how you're spending your time, what's working, what isn't, and ultimately what you uncover will help you plan and prioritize your time more mindfully. It will help you make better decisions, help you identify what habits to focus on, and what goals to pursue.